Hello everyone, and welcome to Beauty Intelligence. Today we will be talking about DIY skincare. If you've been struggling with acne and are looking for natural, budget-friendly solutions, you're in the right place. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore some fantastic DIY face masks and treatments that can help combat acne and leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. DIY skin masks is also one of the home treatments that came up in our video, Acne Scarring, How to Clear It, Science-Based. Below is a link to the video if you are struggling with acne scars and would like to hear its causes and treatment options, all based in scientific facts. No promotions, no bias. As with all health issues, please consult a doctor, in this case, most likely a dermatologist, for your concerns and problems. If that is not an option for or a preference of you, let's get started. Before we dive into the DIY face masks, let's take a quick look at some key ingredients that are beneficial for treating acne-prone skin. Honey. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, honey helps soothe irritation and fights acne-causing bacteria. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes a healthy skin barrier. Turmeric. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric can help reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is gentle on the skin and can absorb excess oil, making it great for controlling acne. Tea tree oil. This essential oil has powerful antibacterial properties and can be used in small amounts to target acne spots. Now let's move on to some easy-to-make DIY face masks that can help tackle acne. Honey and cinnamon mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Honey soothes the skin while cinnamon helps fight bacteria. Yogurt and turmeric mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Apply the mixture evenly and leave it on for 20 minutes. Gently rinse off with water. This mask helps with inflammation and provides a radiant glow. Oatmeal and honey scrub. Blend 1/4 cup of oatmeal into a fine powder and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Gently massage the mixture onto your damp skin in circular motions. Rinse off with water. Oatmeal exfoliates while honey moisturizes. In addition to masks, here are a couple of spot treatments for those pesky acne flare-ups. Tea tree oil spot treatment. Dilute a drop of tea tree oil with a few drops of a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. Apply the diluted mixture directly onto the acne spots using a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight. Tea tree oil's antibacterial properties can help shrink pimples. Aspirin paste. Crush an aspirin tablet and mix it with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply the paste to affected areas and leave it on for 15 minutes. Gently rinse off. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which can help unclog pores. In conclusion, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. These DIY face masks and treatments are easy to whip up using ingredients you likely have at home. Remember, consistency is key when dealing with acne. Incorporate these treatments into your routine a couple of times a week and give your skin the love it deserves. However, if your acne is severe or persists, it's always a good idea to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Here's to healthier, happier skin, naturally. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take care.